Alright guys, welcome back to the second update on Tropical Cyclone Freddy, which has been rapidly intensifying, and surprisingly, the ATCF have gone with a Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson scale for this storm. The latest fix, the 18Z fix, they have the storm now with winds of 130 miles per hour, that is 115 knots, a pressure of 945 millibars, and it is moving west at 13 miles per hour, as this latest update brought to you by Curtis Simplified. So yeah, very unexpected. The ATCF have gone with winds of 130 miles per hour. The Bureau of Meteorology going with 115 miles per hour and 10-minute winds. And we are currently going with the ATCF fix, which is 130 miles per hour. Take a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's forecast cone here. You can see they have it in a Category 4 on their scale. They're expecting it to stay at that for a little bit longer before weakening, just kicking. And by that point, it will enter Meteo France's responsibility. And then it will be getting control by them. But yeah, extremely unexpected. To be fair, with the satellite appearance, I am pretty surprised that ATCF have gone straight up to Category 4. That is quite surprising. I thought they might go with maybe 120 to 125, but they've just shot up to Category 4. So yeah, this is really unexpected. Like I've already said, we weren't expecting it to get this strong. We were expecting a minimal Category 3. But no, it just blew up, and a really well developed eye wall, very strong. That's probably the only thing that's giving it Category 4 status at this time. I think it's the eye wall. It's just really, really strong. And the eye temperature actually may be a bit warmer, because currently on Tropical Tidbits, that's the Himawari 9 satellite. But the Meteo, I think it's Meteosat 9, that might show the eye temperature a bit more. But here's the JTWC forecast code. And you can see currently 105 knots, they use the ATCF, so they are, if they do not change their analysis in that time, they are going to be going with 115 knots in their next advisory if they do not change their analysis before that. But they were expecting a peak of 110 knots. Looks like a peak maybe 150 knots, and they're expecting it to weaken. But look at it, it just actually re-strengthened at the end. It's a very long-lived system, this is. And it may go a bit near the Cocos Islands. It's just going to be out in the middle of the ocean. It really isn't going to be a threat to land pretty much in its whole life. It's not looking likely for it to be a threat to land currently. Take a look at the visible shortwave radar imagery here. We can see there is an eye there. You can barely see it on this imagery, to be fair. Really good structure. It is looking pretty annular. That eye was really getting itself, trying to clear itself out, but it sort of just wobbling around at the minute, but it's definitely trying, that's for sure. It could clear that out. If it clears that out, oh man, this is going to be a powerful storm. I do not think it will though, as I'm pretty sure wind shear is going to start to increase soon, and that may play a bit of a toll on the storm system. Here's the true color zoomed out imagery here. And you can see that storm, that eye, really looking good. Those cloud tops are really, really good. I believe there's a pretty consistent cloud top of a -80 around the whole eye wall, and I'm pretty sure that is what's giving it Category 4 status at this time. It is really powerful. Cold cloud tops, cold thunderstorms around that eye wall, and that is probably what's giving this storm Category 4 on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Now, I just wanted to show you this. I am going to end the video soon, but this is the IR imagery for the storm system. Now, you can see that eye very, very clearly getting to -60 on the Himawari 9 satellite. It may be more like -50, but those cloud tops really, really cold. There's a cloud top of -80 around the whole eye, and I think that's what's giving it Category 4 at this time. And yeah, really unexpected to reach this intensity so fast. And I'm surprised, like I said before, I'm surprised ATCF or JTWC are going with Category 4. They are usually a bit more conservative with these types of systems. Usually they might go with 125 or 120, but they've just shot right up. They've gone from Category 3, a minimal Category 3, and they've shot right up to a Category 4. But yeah, this is rapidly intensifying, no threat to land. And thank you for watching this update, and I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.